welcome to a new episode of I Cry Crypto. We're about to take off, and please buckle up. All right, let's get started. All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new episode. So today episode we call it Bitcoin Rebounds. So, and if you watched last night episode, you know what happened. Everybody was scared and freaking out. But things look definitely better now. So in the meantime, let me know, you guys. Seems like the music is okay playing in the background like that. So let me know if everything sounds good the way you like it. If it's too loud, if you need to go up a little more, you let me know. Okay. Okay. All right. So we're gonna take our time. It's also a test run, so I want to really take my time tonight. I don't want to go fast. All right. Hola, Lala. How are you? Welcome in. Hola. All right. So, how's the music sound? Sounds good. All right. So we're gonna go through the news and also take a look at the market, and we're gonna kind of go through the tabs and search the news in real time and see if we found something interesting. I want to make sure that the music is not too loud, so I'm gonna pull it down a little more. I know I can barely hear it, but I'm pretty sure that for you guys it's kind of good. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now. I would say probably let's jump on the first. Let's see what we got here. Maybe on the okay. So let's talk about the title, since Bitcoin rebounds from tariff pause, crypto market volatility. So basically, what we were saying was that yesterday that everybody was selling due to the fact that tariffs were imposed. All right, thank you, bye. Hello, ciao. Well, so everybody were freaking out about the tariffs, and a lot of people sold. And believe it or not, the people that sold were all mostly retailers. So if you were holding and you bought Bitcoin last week, it was around 104, 105. And these things went down to, I think, 92, 95, 92. You can pull the chart and take a look. Where Bitcoin went pretty much. We can take a look very quickly. So let's pull this one. All right. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, we got a crypto bubble here. Oh, there we go. So right now this is from 6 a.m. Okay. Today, for 6 a.m. we were 94. Okay. And if we go like at 10 a.m. on the second, we were down to $93,000. I know it's at like 92,000. So we went from, this is in a 7-day. Look at this one. You went from 105 down to 94, even less. There was 92. I remember I saw 92. So it probably depends on the exchange too. What that means is retailer that jump in they're gonna run away and say, "Oh my God, I lost my money." When you should know that the best things to do is just DCF. That's how you're gonna keep control of this big oscillation and big price swing. All right, so um, a lot of people got liquidated, and the fact is, a lot of people, uh, unfortunately, even people that just starting up, they're using leverage, so they get to the this exchange, and their friend are making a ton of money, and then last things you know, they're gonna try to jump in and go crazy in the action using leverage without knowing all the setting, and they got the whole bag liquidated in a matter of few hours. I don't say don't use leverage. I just say you need to know what you're doing, and eventually, uh, you can get to the level. And if you're a trader, uh, if you do this every day and you follow the pattern and you do this at uh, full time, then it can become something that you can get good at. Hola, Aura. Ciao, come stai, Aura? All right, I like my friend that just jumping in. Glad to see you. Gusto verlo a los amigos que vienen. And you guys, yeah, we can do this in three languages if you want. We can do in English, Spanish, and Italian if you want. Just let me know. Okay, so about the market, we were saying that people that jump in, like let's say last week, and they put in like they bought a full Bitcoin. They were paying $100 and almost $6,000 for it. So the peak, and that things ran down to $92,000. You guys understand that, right? And you sold it because you don't know anything, and that's you guys where you lose money. You need to understand. You need to go back. You need to go back, and we here now. We are March 2024, last year. Okay, it's not even enough. Yeah, but let's start from there, like from a year ago. Okay, exactly a year ago. Let's see if I can get the last one. So the price was 47,000. Okay, $47,000. And what I mean is, you can have a. I understand $47,000 to buy a Bitcoin is a lot of money, but you don't have to buy a full Bitcoin. That's the thing. You have to DCA, dollar cost average. So you buy $20 if you can every week. I'm pretty sure you can buy $20 a week. But you say, but it's gonna double my money. $20, what is it gonna be? That's why you buy something that is completely small and doesn't make any dent or anything, doesn't dramatically change your wallet or your monthly expense. You can, if you can afford it, you can buy $5 a day. If that's too much, you can buy $10 a week. You set it up with Coinbase or any other exchange that you want to use. I recommend Coinbase because it's here in the United States. It publicly also listed on the stock market exchange. So if something happened, you protect. Customer service is so, but that's an American company. So you set up your account, your checking account. You download your app. And maybe I should put an affiliate link also in my description, so you can guys go ahead and download it. And start with something very simple. Buy the first thing, the biggest one, which is Bitcoin. Now, 6 months from now, when you get more familiarized with this stuff, and you get into more market news, and you follow the trend, and you understand the halving, so then when you try to get into new projects. I know everybody wants to make a quick buck, and this is why people use leverage, which is a form for people that don't always leverage. It's pretty much you fill this account with some money, and then you choose the direction you want to go. You can go up and down. You can do short or long, and then you leverage. There's some exchange they give you 100x leverage. So it means that you open with $1,000, you are now doing a $100,000 trade, but the slipperage, where the call they're gonna be liquidated, are very, very, very tight. It means if this price goes in the wrong direction for just a few $100, you're gonna lose the whole money. So it's even worse than the option, unless you know how to trade options. So definitely something you gotta know and learn. Otherwise, just stick with the most top 10. Okay, so let's go take a look. Before you jump on this meme coin stuff, let's call it like this, because you are not ready for this. Before you even think about it, to touch Dogecoin, Shiba, Pepe, the Melania coin, even the Punji penguins, before you think about that, you should get familiarized with the most popular crypto assets: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, BNB, Cardano. Dogecoin, yes, is a meme coin, it's been there forever, but they don't have any utility. So just Chainlink, Avalanche, just take the first 10 if you want. If you don't want to go crazy, and you don't have to spend a lot of money, all you really have to do and just buy little whatever you can and include that to your wallet. If you want to build this one for the next 5-10 years, that's how you do it. So slowly but steady. Okay, now something you need to talk about it is about Ethereum, because Ethereum has been pretty much static for a long time. You know, with the ETF approval, there is been a lot of inflow, but the price action is pretty much non-existent. Okay, so let's go in a month. Let's see. This even went down. We were around the $3,600 now to $2,800, and if you go down to a year, so we ran from 2,500 all the way up to 4,000, and then sideways action dropped down to the 2,300 for another from August to November. Then slowly we pick up, and then it slowly went down. And now everybody's freaking out. They want to get rid of Ethereum because it doesn't have any action. But if we go take a look at the news, just gonna pull this one up for a second. In the meantime, okay, what up? Come on, guys, I lost everything. Hold on. Hold steady. Seems like all my tabs just closed. Let's see if we can get all the tabs back. Give me my tabs back. Okay, restore window. Yeah, apparently I reopened the wrong tab. Let me see if we can get it. In the meantime, hanging with me, guys. All right. sure I can do this one. All right. I think I was able to reopen everything. Okay. At least I got 50. Let me see if I can get my YouTube chat back as well. And tonight we take our time because I definitely want to go slowly and give a chance to some people to jump in. Maybe, I don't know, find the content. Since this is a brand new channel. There we go. I found the tab, at least for the live stream. Okay, at least I have the chat back. Maybe I got somebody. Okay. Well, thanks to the 2 viewers that are here. Thank you for watching. All right, so let's go back. I had all my stuff open right here. There we go. And yes, what we were talking about the Ethereum, okay? There is no price action and everybody is freaking out because the Ethereum doesn't move. Okay, so first of all, Ethereum is a super strong project. Doesn't go anywhere. Now you didn't see a price action because this cycle you have a lot of competitors, and Solana took a lot of from Ethereum, especially with the meme coin and with Phantom being an excellent wallet. So if you guys like Solana, you old Solana, definitely gotta use the Phantom wallet. What I want to show you too, it's I don't know why it does. This is the Ethereum surpassed the 2900K because Eric Trump said it's a great time to add Ethereum. Stay informed on market trend. So, you guys, you need to keep an eye on everything, and you need to not follow the news, but more the narrative and everything behind. Crypto is here to stay, doesn't go anywhere. It will be implemented in your daily live activity. Blockchain is going to be implemented. Some projects they're going to come and go, like the internet did when the first browser, if you remember AOL, nowhere to be found now. And so we are pretty much on the same kind of environment. We are in this environment with everything new. Things don't even talk to each other. Like back in the days, to send an email to one place to another, you will have they won't communicate. So even if you were trying to send an email back then, you were not able to. So imagine now, we are pretty much in the same boat, where Solana can talk to XRP, Bitcoin would talk to Ethereum, but this is why they have these bridges they are building, and eventually all these gaps they're gonna be filled. So you're gonna be able to communicate to one another. And just a second, I'm gonna take a look at something here. Okay, yeah. I'm here. That's myself. You guys definitely like if you can. So it will help the algorithm to find this one. I'm gonna stay on a few hours, maybe a couple hours. It's only 9 o'clock, and I plan to stay here for a bit because that's why I'm here. I have my Nashville T-shirt on. That's one from the past Bitcoin conference that I went to, and I make this T-shirt myself. So in fact, if you guys want to check it out, feel free to visit the store inandoutcrypto.com, and I give you a quick tour. So let me show you. Well, this is the website. You find everything that you like Bitcoin. You have plenty to choose from. Jacket, premium hoodie. There is a little bit for everybody there. So definitely I suggest to browse it. These are beautiful hats, trucker hats, and they're embroidered. And there is a not only Bitcoin, but also you have XRP, beanies, and much more. Oh, one more thing is if you guys come into Vegas and you don't have your ticket yet, make sure to check it out. Go to inandoutcrypto.com and follow this link. It's on the main page where it says order now. You will be directed to the Bitcoin conference page, and you enter in and out crypto, and you're at checkout, and you get 10% off. Now, the other things I want to tell you is to make sure that you have your bells on and follow. You can follow us in Twitter or X right now, and you can follow us in Instagram and TikTok, because we have some ticket to give away, and we didn't come out yet with some ideas how to make people participate. So I definitely want you guys to give you some free ticket for the participate at the Bitcoin conference. Also, we are collaborating with many people here in Vegas. Try to have make everybody a great experience, since Vegas really is designed for really conference and have people get people busy with attraction, restaurant, hotels. We are also working with the Orange Rabbit. I'm gonna show you right here. So Orange Rabbit, beside the apparel that you can see here, which is very nice, it will be something that will promote the Bitcoin conference all around Vegas, and that will kind of give you all the direction and all the place to go, and which are the best bar, meetup, where you can find an influencer and a big name. And yes, so it will definitely kind of like a rabbit to go down in the hole. So it will bring you to all the best special place in Vegas during the conference. So also we're gonna do some giveaway and stuff at the conference. So we're planning to give some shirts, and definitely keep an eye on us. We will announcing a lot of things going on in the next few months. Remember that the Bitcoin conference is getting closer. It's on the end of May, and does overlap with Litecoin and XRP as well. So here there's some more XRP inspired design. This one is one of my favorite. Love this hoodie. I have it myself. So I put it on. But you have a lot of collection. You get the Cardano one. There we go. Like a Cardano hoodie. Love this one personally. The camouflage one. And these are all in nice embroidered. This one, I got this one at the Sport Rush Guard from Cardano. I went to the beach in December. Took a plunge on the cold ocean. It was beautiful. Yeah, so a lot of stuff. But enough of this. This again is the website for Las Vegas Bitcoin Conference. So you can get your ticket. And enter in and out crypto checkout. I get your 10%. All right, let's go back to the news. And this one today, Donald Trump kind of announced they found some with the Doge Department of Efficiency, I guess the government efficiency with Elon Musk, that they've been finding a lot of waste. But the other news, and sorry if I can find it because all my tabs disappear. There was another one that was actually crypto related. That was interesting, and of course I cannot find it right now. But anyway, But the other biggest news today is pretty much the tariffs. The tariffs that yesterday created so much devastation, and people kind of sold everything. And today there was a chance to even get worse because China didn't respond yet. We had Canada and Mexico reach out and get a deal with the United States about the tariffs. So they renegotiate the terms of the tariffs, and that what it did is pretty much kind of settle the market and turn the market on the more positive note, which is absolutely crazy. So you guys, you gonna need to understand that never like before now we had so many things going in the right direction. There is a crypto friendly administration that just came in, and doesn't matter if you like or not Trump, doesn't matter, because it is surrounded by tons of people. They are business people and they want to make money. So if you follow the money, if you follow the big wealth, you know that you can lose. All you have to do is to follow the money. Very simple. Don't get crazy in the meme coins. Don't jump in weird stuff if you don't know it. Understand what is the halving, why the cycle is every 4 years, why Bitcoin price goes up. Where is Bitcoin? You know what? Let's call back Finch. Where is Finch? It's been a while. Kinda ditched me lately. It doesn't want to talk to me. Every time I try to talk to Finch, he told me that he's out of juice, pretty much. So let's call to Finch. Yeah, let's see. It's taking his time. Yeah, let's put the music a little bit down because I think the music is too loud. All right. Let's see. Huh. They didn't even want to start Finch today, so they give me attitude already. Okay. What's the reason that it doesn't want to start is unknown. Let's see. Maybe it's the block at the block. That's what it is. Come on, Finch. I need you. Alright. Finch doesn't want to talk to me today. He get upset. The other day. Okay. And of course.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So what's the game plan?
Okay, the game plan is for you to talk, but this is just a recorded voice. And for some reason, when I try to get the voice control, it said there is an error. Okay. Let's jump to... in the meantime, let's jump to some bubbles. I'm gonna leave it there for a second. Let's bring the bubbles down here. Is this the bubbles? No, there's not. Let's get the bubbles down here. Where is the bubble? You need some bubbles. Okay. Alright, so that's the last hour. During the okay, look at this. Oh, you don't see it. Hold on. So that's today. You remember last night? You remember yesterday? This thing was completely red. So there was nothing green. Absolutely nothing. Okay. And So I was scared to watch. Okay, and today it went up. So in fact, there are some projects that went up so much that if we take a look at the number, uh, it's absolutely crazy. Now, if you go down to the hour, things seems like they go down again, but we are in the 2, 3, 4% range, which in crypto is completely okay. Now things get scary when that thing plunge 20%. So that's the word scare. But you need to understand this. Let's go back 1 week. Okay, still red. Look at this. Few things are green and no even bigger project. Just let's go back 1 month. Beside this one XEN, forget about it. Everything is red. Let's go back 1 year. Oh, look at that. Virtual is 2500% up. Excellent. Stellar Lumen is 225%. Ondo 180%. Okay, so forget about the WIF and the Pepe and the SHIB. Let's go. Let's take a look at the Jupiter. Jupiter is pretty much, if you have the Phantom wallet, it's pretty much run a DEX, and you can buy all this meme. So near 20%. That's in a year. Okay, forget about Doge. So we cannot gonna talk Fetch AI. So this is the project up 53%. Now you wanna play the card AI card, so you can play some narrative. If you don't wanna play just the Bitcoin card, pretty much. So that's what you can do. So of course Pepe is up 1000%, but you need to have buy Pepe 2 years ago, and you need to understand why we even buy Pepe 2 years ago. XRP 400%. Look at this. 32% is not much, but Aave has been around for at least, I don't know how many years, but it was there 5 years ago, 6 years ago. Algorand. I can understand Solana. You can never get some Solana. I think it went down to, I want to say 15 bucks. I want to say, can't remember. Yeah, that's yeah. Anyway, so enough for bubbles. Let's go back to me. All right, so where we were trying to talk to ChatGPT, but okay, the voice command is not even there. Okay, I'm writing right now. Hey, you hear me? See if you say something. Loud and clear, what's up? Hey, what's up? But you don't want to use the voice command. Okay. Failed to start voice mode, and that's a new thing. It worked until pretty much yesterday. Okay, the microphone is working, and I want to make this work. I don't know, I guess so. Okay, you can hear me. The microphone is on. Oh, but I know why. We are in the wrong thing, right? That's what it is. We are in the wrong place. Okay, let me see. Maybe we need to log in and log out. Let's try to go in the other direction and see if that works. I don't think that's what it is. Maybe by log in and log out. It's gonna work now. I don't know. Let's give it a try now. Finch, are you there? And again, guys, if you're new to the show, make sure to subscribe, like, cut something, keep the ball rolling. It's the first show. It's gonna be tough for people to show up. There are so many people scripted channel, but eventually we're gonna be able to find some room and let's see if this one is working now. I reset the page. Finch, are you there? No, apparently it doesn't want to work.
Hi there. I just want to share.
No. Thunder voice. Okay, he say then I got this limit, but I didn't even use it today, so I don't understand what's going on. All right, let's try it again. Let's ask why voice mode it doesn't work. I don't know. Still doing weird stuff. And when I write,
Loud and clear.
but I can hear you. And guys, while I tap in, of course, okay, it's a try to restart and I can help. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna close the tabs and start from scratch again. Let's see if that's gonna help me. Oh, wow, many tabs I have open. We got coin market cap in the meantime. We can go check it out. That one is there as well. Let's go here. Let's see what we got here. Now everything is the last hour is down about 3%. Ethereum down almost 4%. But we're still up from the 24-hour. Now I had the news said with the president that today let's see if we can bring that one back. Let's see if I can get it. Let's take a look. This is X. Okay, all right, so that's one of the news that I was looking into it. So the news was that the president that Canada and Mexico pretty much agreed to collaborate and put some troops and stop the inflow of people from the border. And as a result of the tariffs, these two countries reacted and kind of, reached out. And, I gotta tell you, the president went heavy. And, he's gonna take some of the credit on this one for sure, because he came out of nowhere and just slammed the hammer and say, you either do this, what I say, or just we're gonna put tariff, which is not good for anybody, really. He dealt deal of cards. And, well, this time we had the best out of it. So Canada agree, Mexico. I want to say I do have another article somewhere. I just need to find it again. I know that things disappear. Let's see. That was the one? No, this was the one that we saw before. All right, so yeah, that was the things that was the East sign. There is the executive order for the sovereign wealth fund, and I know the video was on Fox. Try to find it. Maybe I had it ready. But of course, things that decide to disappear. Let's see if we can find it. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if we have a. I don't know if this is a video. We can take a look. No, this is the actual document, I guess. No, I want to try to see if we can. There we go. We found the source.
Of the Treasury, Scott Bessent, and your.
So let's check the volume first before we get this play.
Order discharges your Secretary of the Treasury, Scott Bessent, and your Secretary of Commerce, Howard Lutnick, to begin a process that will hopefully result in the creation of an American sovereign wealth fund.
It's a very exciting event. We're going to have a sovereign wealth fund, which we've never had. We have a lot of things that create wealth, and you're seeing that over the last 2 weeks. I think we've created more wealth. Other people have created de-wealth. The people, my predecessors, we're creating a lot of wealth.
De-wealth.
Scott, maybe you'd like to say something about it. And
yeah, what is de-wealth? I never heard. De-wealth? Is it even a word? Unfortunately, Finch doesn't work today, so I don't know. But let's keep listening and see what he has to say.
ask also Howard to say something about it.
Yes, sir. This is very exciting. We're going to stand this thing up within the next 12 months. We're going to monetize the asset side of the U.S. balance sheet for the American people. We're going to put the assets to work. And I think it's going to be very exciting. We're going to study best practices that's done around the world. It'll be a combination of liquid assets, assets that we have in this country as we work to bring them out for the American people.
The extraordinary size and scale of the U.S. government and the business it does with companies should create value for American citizens. If we are going to buy 2 billion COVID vaccines, maybe we should have some warrants and some equity in these companies and have that grow for the help of the American people. So I bring all these things together, I think Scott and I will create an amazing sovereign wealth fund for you, sir.
So other countries have sovereign wealth funds and their.
So the things that you need to understand that, again, it doesn't matter if you like Trump or not. The people that are all around him, they're there because they want to make money. And if you had a chance to get into crypto that nobody liked it for the past 5-6 years, everybody, even the same people, the maxi, they are into the Bitcoin ecosystem. And they kind of have this tribalism and they don't like each other. They need to put this stuff aside and need to understand if you can get in and little by little put some money in there every week, you can definitely make a dent and get your financial situation in a better way. But let's continue. Let's see what he has to say more.
Much smaller countries, and they're not the United States. We have tremendous potential in this country, tremendous. You're seeing that, what's happened just in a short period of time. And as an example, TikTok, we're going to be doing something perhaps with TikTok, and perhaps not. If we make the right deal, we'll do it, otherwise we won't. But I have the right to do that, and we might put that in the sovereign wealth fund, whatever we make, or if we do a partnership with very wealthy people. A lot of options, but we could put that as an example in the fund, and we have a lot of other things that we could put in the fund. And I think in a short period of time, we'd have one of the biggest funds. And you know, some of them are pretty large. I must tell you, some of like the Saudi Arabia fund is on the large side, but eventually we'll catch it. but we're going to create a lot of wealth for the fund. And I think it's about time that this country had a sovereign wealth fund. And these two gentlemen and some others are going to work with them very closely, and they'll be heading it up, and they're going to do a great job. Two highly respected people that have done unbelievable.
Let's stop this one. So pretty much all you need to understand is this. Other countries, they have a well-founded, what it is pretty much they have a pile of assets. They're going to be, part of their reserve if you want, okay? And there it can be oil, gold, or whatever there is, okay? The fact that now they're going to include crypto on all of this, it means the numbers, even now there you see this volatility, it's just even a few weeks really, it's not even a month. You eventually going to see being implemented in such a large scale. That's going to bring a ton of money. We're talking about no longer billions of dollars. Like another reference before making a joke, the president was the word peanuts. Peanuts. There were no peanuts. It was peanuts because it was such a small amount. And that was a reference to TikTok. TikTok, even though I have my reserve, my opinion in TikTok is if you're a company, now the story that is China, no China, that's the whole narrative to drive people crazy. I don't really believe that because you think that Google doesn't spy on you or X doesn't know all your information, so you live it under the rock. The fact that it is China is an excuse because this company is successful. Why then we have the Mark Zuckerberg with Facebook that is outdated, Instagram that is very bad interface, and X until the Elon Musk took over was pretty much non-existent. I mean, yeah, it had a lot of followers, but why TikTok made a success? For instance, Snapchat, never heard anymore, but now you have TikTok is in everybody's mouth, so everybody talks about TikTok, and now they want a piece of the cake. Nothing wrong with that. If we can get a little piece of it, it's okay. Now, these are tactics. If you're a company and you have to either get absorbed or apparently out of business. They tried to replicate TikTok. I know there were some company on the stock market that's supposed to be the next TikTok. There was a lot of speculation about it. And then when they try to go public, they went public and they're supposed to be the next TikTok. It was just a lot of money. They were penny stock and these people disappeared. So buy TikTok, we leverage, we force, in this case, like a hostile, almost like an hostile action, because it's either you give up after the TikTok, or we're gonna ban it in the United States with 350 million people. So your TikTok is going out of the window. So, you gotta consider that too. All right, so we are in the 48 minutes range. I'm very happy about this because I kind of give you a chance also to get the rhythm, get prepared, working out and other things that maybe I need to adjust and look into the next time. I do have another things I'd like to show you. Let's go into this chart right here. Con 360. Let's see if I can show you this. Okay, let's make some room in here. Again, this last night was completely red. There was nothing left. Okay. So you see XRP is up 16%. I think that the last night XRP went down, I want to say, to $1.90. I may be wrong, I remember this. See, these things drop below. I try to see. I don't think I can catch it. But anyway, maybe in a day. Let's take a look at this. Yeah. There we go. Anyway, Let's go back. No. Yeah, we lost it. Okay, we lost it. Doesn't matter. So, how's everybody? How you like the show so far? I really want to show you my friend Finch, but let's see if he's back. If he feels better. Let's see. All right, let's try. No. I'm gonna try again, guys. Just hang with me for a second. Okay. I'm asking Finch why he doesn't want to talk to me. He said my internet connection. Well, I won't be streaming live if it was a problem. And I closed and reopened the tab many times. Yeah, he asked me to reboot my system. And which I cannot do it. Otherwise we're gonna stop the stream. He want me to try a different browser. Yeah. How can I look at this one? Let's say he said to open a. All right, let me see. I know he wants me to upgrade to a plus, and eventually I'll do it. But I want to experiment a little bit first in order to have a. You know what is funny? It said that then I reached the limit using ChatGPT, and to try tomorrow at 12:23 a.m., which is only 4 hours away. But I didn't use it today, so that's the thing. I don't understand. I didn't even use it. You didn't give me a chance to try anything. Come on. Not even the free one? All right. He asked me what can he help me with. Okay, let's go there. Let's go with Finch. Let's see. Okay. So what I understood, I need to have my capture monitor pretty much moved to the one on the top, because like this pretty much they didn't capture anything. I always capture the wrong one. So this one won't work. Let's use this one. And let's say, I don't know, I never used this feature. Surprise me. You guys know how this works? All right. Okay, let's try this one. Surprise me. Let's see. Surprise me with a story about yourself. You wanna? Okay, let's surprise me with my horoscope for today. You wanna hear my horoscope? Okay, you wanna know what's going on here? Bah. Okay, why not? Okay. I don't know what's gonna do. He wants to know my zodiac sign. Of course, I'm gonna say it to him. And I'm Scorpio. Okay. And sorry guys, because I'm typing. I have my hotkey. Right. Scorpio. Yeah. Tell me the horoscope about Scorpio. For all the people listening, they are Scorpio. Oh, give me even the temperature. Severe weather, Seattle and vicinity. Okay, let's listen. So let's he's supposed to talk. Let's see what he has to say.
Today, February 3rd, 2025, Scorpio. the alignment of Mercury in Aquarius and Jupiter retrograde in Gemini encourages you to revisit past ideas and experiences. This is an excellent time for intellectual stimulation and introspection. Embrace new perspectives and consider how past concepts can be refined for future use. Cite Turn News 20. Additionally, the ongoing winter weather advisory in Seattle suggests that you plan accordingly for potential slip.
But why we have why you gave me the I didn't ask for any weather conditions. So can you tell me about let's have something fun. I'm gonna write something funny and bear with me because the screen is gonna flash because I need to change these keys with maybe the numbers, and so all right. Let's ask something different. So okay, so I ask if we can forecast the crypto weather for this month instead. Let's see what he has to say. All right. So what did he say first of all? Okay. Let's listen up. Let's hear him talk. Let's see what he has to say.
As of February 3rd, 2025, the cryptocurrency market is experiencing significant volatility due to recent geopolitical events. President Trump's announcement of new tariffs on imports from Mexico, Canada, and China has led to a sharp decline in global markets, including cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, for instance, dropped approximately 15% overnight, reaching around $92,500 at Turn News 11. Despite this downturn, some analysts remain optimistic about the market's recovery. Technical indicators suggest that Bitcoin could test its all-time high of $109,588 in February, entering a new price discovery phase. Site turn search 19 Lux. Ethereum's price action will depend on its ability to maintain support above the $2,350 to $2,400 range. If it does, a rebound toward the $2,750 to $2,800 resistance area is likely. Site turn search H. So, in the short term, the market is expected to remain volatile, influenced by global economic factors and investor sentiment. It's crucial for investors to stay informed about geopolitical developments and market trends to make well-informed decisions. Here are the current prices for some major cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, BTC, $98,981, $2,705 BNB, BNB, 580.76 Cardano and 56.3.75 Solana, Solana 483 476 Dogecoin's at 263949 Litecoin for royalties 159 coin, Polygon Matic 0.317531 Furus. Please note that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and prices can change rapidly. It's advisable to conduct thorough research and consider.
Right, we don't care about that. It's gonna read through some pretty much annoying stuff. I wonder if yeah, so the idea was to try some of the voice command, and but you can see it says failed, so it doesn't work. What I want to do pretty much, I'm gonna call it a night. We've been on for about an hour, we're gonna say. Yeah, about an hour right now, and I'm very happy about the pretty much outcome. Yeah, I want to say a little glitch here and there, but overall everything sounds good. I guess look good. The mix was nice, the camera looked good. I have some stuff to work with and figure it out, make it look better. And I'd like to conclude again with the website. Make sure to look into inandoutcrypto.com. Get your swag, support the channel, get your favorite hoodie, sweater, get the new Las Vegas t-shirt. That's for the incoming Bitcoin conference here in May. All right. And now, guys, thank you very much for being here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can be aware of the next show where we're going to be live. We're going to try to get these things going at night. All right, so everybody, thank you very much for people in the chat. Ciao a tutti, thank you for participating, and until next time. Ciao.